guys, I'm going to show you guys how to record any video in full screen using Bandicam. It's really easy and really simple, so here we go, guys. So chances are you're probably a starting up YouTuber and you want to record games in full screen and make it as professional as possible. You're using Bandicam, but you don't know how to do that. You looked at tutorials on YouTube, but nobody really seems to know how to do it for sure. So it's really easy. This is using the latest Bandicam. Pull up Bandicam right here, and you simply click DirectX/OpenGL window. Records games and video players using DirectX. Dumbing that down, that basically means it records any game in full screen. You click that button, whatever game you play. I'm using Minecraft, for example. Click Minecraft, double click in your game, and you should have an FPS overlay. If you don't, go into your Bandicam, click video, and there should be an option that says show FPS overlay. It doesn't show up for me since I'm not recording in DirectX/OpenGL, but that option will be there when you click DirectX/OpenGL. So you hit that button, the FPS shows right here, and you start recording. So when you start recording, the FPS overlay, it's green. The numbers are green at first, but when you start recording, they will turn red. So that's how you know you are recording. But just so you guys know, if you start recording any game using DirectX/OpenGL and you're not in full screen, and you have like this up here, this little thing, this I don't know really what to call that, the top of the browser I'm going to call it, and this toolbar like thing, it will cancel out, it'll cancel these out, and they'll just become big ugly black bars. So to get rid of that, simply go into like your of course, I'm using Minecraft, like I said already. Minecraft, you hit options, video settings, other, and then full screen on, and that's how you get like full screen in Minecraft. But for other games, it probably is like in options. You may have to like fiddle around and look in the actual game, but you should. Every game usually has full screen in it, so go ahead, get your full screen working, get your Bandicam, DirectX/OpenGL again in here, and it should be working perfect. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please click the like button down below. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. It really helps us out. We're trying to get to 200 subscribers by the end of the year, and if we can hit that goal, guys, that'd be really freaking awesome, and I'm sure we can. So I'll see you guys, like always, next time. Don't go, say bye. Peace.
Get ready, 'cause here I come.
Well, lastly, I'd like to introduce our new social media manager, Lily.
Stand in the middle of a hurricane, looking right in the eye.
Do you know what's going on?
The servers are down. Welcome to the team.
Lily, tough day, huh?
It was a great day.
Ain't nothing gonna hold me down. Get ready, 'cause here I come.
For cheap Minecraft hosting, be sure to go ahead and check out clovex.net. What is going on, guys? Casual Savage here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Bandicam. Now, out of screen recorders, so far I've covered how to use Fraps, how to use Camtasia, and now I'm on to Bandicam. So if there's any other screen recorders you want me to do, then let me know in the comments below. So this is Bandicam right here, and let's get into it. I'm unregistered, as you can see, because of course you have to pay for it. This is just the trial version. Now, first of all, just describe to you what is on the layout. So here is obviously the time, so there's the hours, the minute, and the second. Here is how long you've got left to record, and as you record you'll see this going up right here, so it tells you how many gigabytes or how many megabytes you're using as you're recording. Up here is just a key to register Bandicam. Here is a help button if you need any help. Now onto the main interface right here, as you can see, there's something called game recording mode. It records games and video players using DirectX. So obviously if you're recording games, you're going to be clicked on this one right here. However, if you're recording your desktop, you come to this one on the right, which is called screen recording mode. It records desktop screen and web video. Moving over is the output folder. Now if you click this, it's going to take you to the output folder where your recordings will go, and of course you can change it. I've just kept it default. Now here, as you are recording, you can take a screenshot. Here you just press record. You can see it's currently grey because I have no game open and I am on the game recording mode. And here, if you're in the middle of recording, you can pause your recording. Now get into this part right here, the output folder. So there you go, straight away on general, the options. We can change where the recordings go. So if you press this right here, you can choose wherever you want to save it. So I'm going to put it on desktop. I'm going to click OK. And you can see it's that easy. It's switched to my desktop. And if we go below that, as you can see, Bandicam window always on top. Now, if you're recording, that means Bandicam will show. So make sure that's unchecked. And as you can see, start Bandicam minimized to a tray. And again, that's up to you. And here, run Bandicam on Windows Startup. Personally, I don't have that on because I don't record straight away as soon as I start my computer. Then here, there is an advanced option. So you can see we can just mess around with these settings. And output, hooking, language, and other. Then below that you can see auto start recording. So you can see start full screen recording on Bandicam startup. So that means as soon as Bandicam starts up, it's going to start recording. That is if you have that checked. Set timer for auto start recording. So if you check this, you can have a certain time limit before Bandicam starts recording. On to the next one, which is FPS. Now you only get FPS in game recording mode. If we go to screen recording mode, you can see FPS goes. So here you can mess with the FPS. It's kind of like Fraps here, because you can choose where you want it to be displayed, just simply by clicking. And you can even pick if you want it to be displayed. So you don't have to have it on, you can set up a hotkey as well. And you can see you can even set up an FPS limit. So mine's capped at 60 frames per second, and it's checked to only when capturing. Now next is video. So here you can set up some hotkeys once again. So you can record and stop. Now it's F10. I believe I set that up myself because I always used Camtasia for over a year, and of course I had to switch to Bandicam, so I set up F10. The reason F10, because Camtasia uses F10 the exact same settings. As you can see, for a pause hotkey, I never actually pause my videos, so that's why I don't have a hotkey set up. Show mouse cursor, obviously you'll need that checked if you want the mouse cursor to show. If it's unchecked, it won't be on the screen. Now in addition to this, you can add mouse click effects, meaning when you click, you can have like a colour come out of it, or the sound itself. Now here you can also add a webcam overlay, so you can record the screen and your webcam at the same time. And again, you can come to settings, and you can mess with this right here, so you can see the sound, you can see what to record the sound with. You can have your primary sound device, so where the volume comes out of, and you can see you can also have a secondary device. It's completely up to you though. Now they also have save audio tracks while recording, and it saves as a .wav, which is a pretty good file as well. It's small, so you can also have that checked if you want to. Then moving on to the webcam, you can just mess around with the webcam settings. Here you can actually add a logo to your videos, so without you having to edit it yourself and put it on, you can do it in Bandicam itself. Now onto effects, you can see the mouse effects. So if this is checked, you can add a mouse click effect. So if I left click, it will come out red. If I right click, it will come out blue. And here you can also add a highlight effect to the mouse, meaning there'll be like a highlight of color around it. So you can change the color to whatever you want. Just click on them and you can see right there. And the final thing is options, and as you can see, recording priority. So you can just go ahead and mess with that. This one is probably the most recommended one, so you can keep it on that. And then here you can just mess with these settings here. Now onto the video format itself. Now you need to be careful with this, because when I first got Bandicam, I was clueless to this. I recorded straight away without changing any video settings, and I couldn't import the video into Sony Vegas directly. I had to convert it. But there's a solution around it. All you need to do is come to presets. Then as you can see, it says Sony Vegas, Premiere or Pinnacle. Click that, and these are the settings you'll need if you're editing in Sony Vegas or the other programs I just mentioned. As you can see, there's also other presets right there. So you can see YouTube 720. That's if you're going to upload directly to YouTube. So it's up to you, but of course there's probably going to be editing involved. So pick that one if you're using my one. So like that. So then of course here we have settings, and as you can see, you can have a file type as AVI or an MP4. You can choose the video size at full screen or any of these right here. You can choose your frames per second. You can choose the codec. You can choose the quality. then of course you can mess with the audio right here. Personally, I'd leave all this stuff the same because it comes out good either way. Now onto image. Now as you can see, it says capture, hotkey again. This is how you take a screenshot. So if I press F11